I got game development right now, computer science and cyber defense after that.
I had programming last year. I'm currently in game development.
I've had game development and I'm about to take computer programming next semester.
I've taken ICA applications and ICA cybersecurity. I'm in networking 2300 and cybersecurity 2200.
In game development, we're learning about the programming of games and the history of games and how to make them. In cyber defense, we're learning about how to protect and defend against cyber attacks. We also get to deal with a lot of the hardware of cyber defense. So last time we got to build Ethernet cables. We also learn in that class like connectivity, like how to connect various different systems. In computer science, that's when we really get into the programming part of it and all the technical bits. Can like make our own websites or program robots if we wanted to.
I've learned how to use a Unity engine, which means I know like how to set up a game basically. So far we've done a 2D platformer and we've emulated Pong.
When I had programming, we learned a lot of Python and we were able to make kind of simple games. Game development is more, I kind of like it, so I'm really interested in writing, and a lot of it is writing and coming up with ideas for games. That's probably my favorite part of the game. And there's a little bit of coding. I really love my programming class I had. I just thought it was really fun. Maybe I'm just really into coding.
I do aspire to make video games, so I really wanted to learn what the process goes behind it and the professional side of game development. I love making art, I love drawing, I love writing, all the things. I just can't program.
It's not necessarily just coding, it's all sorts of different art, all kind of crammed into one.
I've always enjoyed coding. I like HTML and CSS a lot, and I struggle a little bit with Python, but those are probably my top two.
When I talk to kids in this class, there are some who are more linear focused. They're more of I just care about coding. And then there are other kids there who are I love storytelling and I love imagining.
Definitely anyone who's ever liked going into the technological side of computers or coding or website development.
It's for the people who really like thinking into stuff, really getting deep into specific subjects.
Just people who are passionate. If you obviously video games and internet, you're going to be interested in it.
Artsy kids, I see a lot of those around here, especially people who they know what they want to do but they don't know how to do it. That's kind of what I am. Anybody interested in video games?
I feel where we are in we're trying to become so technologically advanced. I think it's a really good skill to have, especially for a lot of jobs.
There's a lot of programming machines, in factories. Those need really precise programming. So you could go into that. There's a lot of AI getting really popular now, and that could use a lot of work. There's also androids, robots that look like people or do stuff for you. A lot of automation when it comes to jobs, and that's going to require a lot of technical jobs. There's currently a lot of openings from Hill Air Force Base in the cybersecurity side of things.
There's more professional things. I could be there's the developer, the writer, the artist. I could do publishing. I could also be doing marketing, things along those lines.
Absolutely. I would recommend this. This is one of the few classes where you really can just have fun and be comfortable with what you like. So I'd recommend it really to anybody.
Yes, I definitely would. This is a really fun class and I'm learning so much.
It's definitely worth taking. Absolutely. Anyone who's interested in video games or programming would definitely have fun in this class.
Absolutely. I love this class. It's been a blast to be in and I'm gonna miss it. I would definitely recommend this. It's good.